Hey, welcome back to @worldwidegiantgrowers.com. What I'm going to show you today is how to ship a live plant. I've had people tell me, hey man, I just lost my plants. Can you send me a seed? And I'm like, why don't I send you a plant instead? Now I've done this before. Chad Gaweiler in Wisconsin sent him a big plant. It was in a big like 2-gallon pot, and we used a much bigger box, but I'm going to show you today how to do it in a smaller scale. What we do is we take our plant container, and I went down to the hardware, and I've got some paint sticks. I use these paint sticks. You can use them any way you do it. There's a lot of different ways you can do it. You just got to think outside of the box. But what we've done here first is we've taped over the pot so that the soil can't fall out of the container. Then I made 2 little slits and slipped my sticks in here. All right, now what I'm going to do is I cut a top for the container. This is another great way to repurpose too, people, like in one of my other videos that I can link you back to, repurposing the containers. But now Mama Bubba is going to help me. She's going to take the tape and she's going to tape that lid nice and surgically, tape it to the jar. There you go. There you go, okay, and then she's going to spin it around and tape the other side. Now what that's going to do is protect that plant. The tape, it's taped off the top so the soil can't fall out of the jar. And then now with this on top, get a good contact on both surfaces, Mama Bubba. All right, leaned a little heavy on the one side, but I think it'll work. If that's on there good, okay, that's not going to come off. There you go. Yeah, there you go. There you have it. Okay, now that can travel. It's protected. The leaves can't get damaged. The dirt can't come out of the pot. This is going to go in the box like this. Then could you help me for a minute, Mama Bubba? Grab me some of these bags. So I only got one hand here with the camera. Grab those bags and place those bags around the jar. We're going to place bags in around the jar on each side so the jar can't roll. And you'll pack that in nice and solid. All right, and get enough in there so that jar can't move. There you go. There you have it. Now you can do this on any scale. We've done these before. You could do this with a 1-gallon bucket. You could do this. That should be good to lay some bags across the top, and there you go. We'll lay some across the top so she can't go this way. And then there you go. We shut the box up. And then that plant's not going to go anywhere. Ship it immediately. That plant's going to be in the dark for 3 days. And there you go. There you have it. How to ship. Now I'm going to link this video back to my How to Ship Tomatoes to Your Mother video that I'd made a couple years ago. I wanted to link you back to that. How to ship tomatoes. This is how you ship a live plant. You get it there in one piece at @worldwidegiantgrowers.com. But wait, we have more. I've been asking you all to comment on the videos. And here you go. I've got like 44 people that commented somewhere around it. I didn't count them exactly, but it was way over 35. Mama Bubba, you're going to pick one out. Pick a name. One of our last commenters. If you go to my videos and comment, what we're going to do is you're going to win free product. This is our root keeper. I said that we're going to give away 2 free root keepers. This goes to Sting 2372. Contact me. You are the winner. You can have 2 root keepers shipped to you, or I'll give you a root keeper in a bloom, root keeper and a pumpkin power, your choice. All right, 2 products. But go ahead, you guys, keep commenting. I want to thank you all for commenting. The next time I'm going to give away a 6-pack. Here it'll probably be about a week. In a week or so, I'll give away a 6-pack. I want to thank you all for commenting. And also, while we're still here, I want to tell you about germinating the seeds in a wet napkin. I just did that, and I was telling you about that a few days ago. Well, we got an 80% germination, all but 3. We had 12 out of 15 germinate from the 1177s, and you can buy these seeds. These will guaranteed grow you a big orange pumpkin at @worldwidegiantgrowers.com. Another idea I had was, you could wrap in a paper napkin in a baggie, wrap a seed and mail it to somebody, and by the time it got to them, it'll have a root growing. It'll be ready to go in the ground. That would save them 3 days. Just a thought. But hey, for great growing tips and ideas, come to @worldwidegiantgrowers.com and keep it a secret, but go tell a friend. We're growing giant pumpkins, tomatoes, watermelons, sunflowers, and everything at worldwidegiantgrowers.com. All right, man. Subscribe and click your notifications and keep posting comments. There's going to be lots of lucky winners. We're going to do this all summer long. Talk to you soon, man. Keep them growing.